Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you all how to make the most beautiful flower with two colors of wool and scale. Wrap around on the scale the first color of wool for 25 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew and secure both sides. Now, put the woolen design out from the scale. Then, attach the second color of wool on the woolen design and sew on the design to make visible combination. Make the little pieces 5 and join them to make beautiful woolen flower. Use the extension of the wool and wrap around the flower to make the combination more visible. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center of the flower to make it even more beautiful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I believe you all will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.